Well, good morning, class. I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough on what your Social Work 300 class looks like in Schoology and how to navigate through it. As you can see, when you first log into Schoology, you'll see different folders. If you click on this arrow, oh, there we go, it shows you all the items contained in each folder. And I would strongly suggest one of the first things you should do is go through each of these folders to see the information contained regarding introduction, orientation and overview of the course, your syllabus and course materials, and these modules are the coursework and assignments that you are required to do each week. Also information about your e-portfolio, discussion boards, and of course your Tuskegee University contacts should you need those. What you'll also see on the other side of your screen is essentially due dates and deadlines for items that are coming up. Hopefully, this helps many of you to plan your weeks in advance accordingly so you can keep on track in the course. And sorry, let me flip over here to the other side. In this section, you will also see updates, and that's primarily where announcements are made for the course. Grades, and this is, of course, a sample student account, so this is not a real student. You can look at your grades as you go along, what assignments, all the assignments that you'll have to do that are coming up. You can also double check your attendance. As this is an online course, that's all there is to it. Oh, sorry, let me review a module. If you click on a module, you should click through each item and it will tell you here is a summary of the learning objectives and learning outcomes. Essentially, this is what you're supposed to learn each week. If you click on next, it tells you the to-do list. The to-do list is very, 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 very important. So make sure you look at the to-do list and you do what you are supposed to do that week for that module. Let me go back a step. When you look in modules and you look at your to-do list, if, for example, in your to-do list, it talks about exercise 14 or 1, for example, what you'll need to do is click on syllabus and course materials. And for the exercises, this is where all the exercises, the instructions, and where you submit them is located. Or, as you can see, here you could simply click the exercise it's due. You will see all the instructions and all the information that you need to go along with it. You might also want to click on and make sure that you read all the information contained in that folder. So if you click here, this takes you directly to submit the assignment. I highly recommend, if you're completing an exercise, click the actual exercise folder so that way you'll see all the items that will help you do a good job with the coursework. And I'm sure you're going to have questions, and we will be meeting online virtually throughout the semester, and you can also meet with me in person. You need to make an appointment, contact me by email, and hopefully you will have a wonderful semester. The course is not hard. You just have to keep up. There are readings, there are things you're going to have to actually do. And most students pass this course most easily by actually completing the work and putting in a good effort, and you should be fine. So thank you for watching. Again, if you have any questions, please be sure to ask.